Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a quick check. Confirm your iPhone is on the same Apple ID and Find My is active, otherwise Siri can't trigger location. Once done, enable Siri and microphone access in settings so voice commands register. Now, speak clearly. Hey Siri, where are you? Or, Find my iPhone. You do this because Siri will either ping the device or hand the request off to Find My. This immediate step locates nearby phones fast and tells if the initial voice attempt fails, make Siri work with Find My. Open the Find My app on a different Apple device or iCloud. Com from a browser and sign in. Once you select your iPhone, tap play sound to ping it. This overrides silent mode and helps you track the ring. If the device shows offline, check last known location and tap directions to guide you there. You do this because a visual route is faster than searching blind, and play sound confirms proximity. Once you're near the indicated spot, press play sound again and sweep the area. Check bags, pockets, couches, and under furniture while listening for the ping. If you can't reach it, immediately enable lost mode to lock the phone, show a contact number, and pause Apple Pay. This reduces risk while you continue recovery. If problems persist, make sure the device has power and network, verify you're signed into the correct Apple ID, and if theft is suspected, contact your carrier and local authorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.